My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don come out, don drop her new single. She don venture into music. Also, Iyabo of the Real Housewives of Lagos don come out come announce say she no dey come back for reunion. And lastly, Bella Okagbue don come out come celebrate her sister wey be say dey call Ogi, wey give birth to a new baby. As we all know, Bella don tell us before to say she get 5 siblings, there be 5 in total. But na only 3 of them now we know. Chris, that Sandra and Bella. This particular one wey give birth, she no dey really show her face for social media. She no be the social media type of person. So Bella come take for her Instagram story. So she come say, congratulations to my blood at Ogi Okagbue. Thank God for a safe delivery. Super emotional right now. I'll be back. One of the most happiest day of my life. Congratulations to Ogi and her family, and thank God for safe delivery. I beg, if you watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg, try me to subscribe, like this video, help me drop your comment for the comment section, and also help me share this video. And I thank you. Phyna, she don't come out, come drop a new single. As we all know, Phyna is like she dey try to venture into music, and the song too makes sense because when I listen to her, I no even believe saying Phyna go fit sing that type of thing. The voice was so unique and different. Not even sweet, but past groovy on. Make we no beside I try to compare, but I dey tell you to say the song sweet past groovy on by far. Make una just listen to small of the song.
You only live once, no feeling 2 times. Make a job life, no come dey talk for me.
So now don't hear now. The song they are available for all streaming platforms with the likes of Boomplay, Apple Music, Tidal, Spotify, and the rest of them. So Fination, make una go stream them. And if those will be say they interested, na fit still stream them. Congratulations to her. This is a very bold step. Now Phyna don't enter acting. Now she did for music. She get podcast. Not be small thing. No. The girl na real jack of all trade. Also, I not support the way Phyna dey misbehave sometimes. I dey wish her well for this her music journey, because this music of a thing, if you fit make am for music, you are set for life. All those there are realities fit set person picking for life. So congratulations to her, e no easy. Unto Real Housewives of Lagos, Iyabo, she don't come out, come announce say she's not coming back for the reunion for the season 2. As we all know, after Iyabo don't go for Real Housewives of Lagos go misbehave for there finish, she could not take the heat. She can't dey talk say she no wan sit down for reunion, because she knows say if she sit down for that reunion, now she be the worst person for that particular show that season 2 that year. So make her read wetin she talk. So she can't say, after a lot of back and forth, I choose to listen to my family, loved ones, most especially my man and my children, and also the brand I work with. So I will not be attending the Real Housewives of Lagos season 2 reunion. She make this statement, people come dey say, madam, sit down one place, you are a liar. You no wan sit down chop wetin you cook. Make we just see some of the comments. The first person say, lioness woman, she can't take the heat, shame and pressure. Another one say, after she don she for church, yeye dey smell come hiss. The next one say, queen mother isonu. The last one say, all this one na true, all this one na talk sha. The next person say, mama cook, but she no wan sit down chop wetin she cook. The next one say, we will not miss you, good riddance. Another one say, so why is she telling us we don't care if she actually attends or not? The next one say, here comes the Nigerians don't deserve a reality TV show comment. Don't be say as long as she's not attending, make she not even try and say she won't go social media, go the comment or posting shade. The shade the rest of them, maybe say go the show, we go for the reunion, because I know her. Just be for this our celebrities, when you not favor them, and then they will go they consult family and ancestors. Where is the energy wey be say she get last year when she did in last 2 years when we say she did drag Caroline? She attend the reunion, or that she not attend that. Me in particular, I will not miss her. There's no way out for witchcraft wey be see that woman show for season 2. Una take care, una bye.